Are you facing issues with the browser.keys command not working in Firefox? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into this frustrating problem and showing you how to resolve it. I completely understand how annoying it can be when your automation scripts throw errors, especially when you're on a tight deadline. This is a common issue many developers encounter. Let's take a closer look at the specific situation. One user reported that the browser.keys command is throwing an error in Firefox version 53.0.3 while using WebdriverIO. They provided logs that show various commands being executed, but ultimately they hit a wall with the keys command. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this issue? The warning in the logs indicates that the keys command will be deprecated soon. This means that relying on it could lead to failures in your tests after updates. Let's break down the steps to troubleshoot this effectively. And stick around, I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid similar issues in the future. To address the issue with the browser.keys command in Firefox, the user should first check the compatibility of the versions they are using. Specifically, they need to ensure that the WebdriverIO version is compatible with Firefox version 53.0. Next, the user should consider updating both Firefox and WebdriverIO to the latest versions. This can often resolve issues related to deprecated commands. After updating, the user should modify their test scripts to replace the browser.keys command with the recommended alternative. This is important because the keys command is being deprecated. Finally, the user should run their tests again to verify that the changes have resolved the issue. Monitoring the logs for any new errors will help ensure everything is functioning correctly. Fun fact, did you know that the first web browsers were text-based? We've come a long way since then, but sometimes it feels like we're back to square one with these errors. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user points out that the error indicates a problem with the keys command, which will soon be deprecated. They suggest using a different command to avoid issues in future updates of WebdriverIO. They mention that the keys command currently works with Chrome driver, but not with command chaining, like simulating Control-C or Control-V. They recommend checking their answer on Stack Overflow for more details. As an alternative, they suggest using the code point approach with browser.keys, specifically using the command browser.keys UEE07. This could be a viable workaround. Human, let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution from another user suggests upgrading to WebdriverIO version 4.9.3 or higher. They mention that this version includes a fix for the issue with browser.keys not working in Firefox. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly check for updates and read the release notes for your tools. Staying informed can save you a lot of trouble in the long run. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to tackle the browser.keys issue in Firefox. Remember, keeping your tools updated is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips, and don't miss our next video.